Good day, viewers. What we're going to be talking about today is Roman numbers, Roman numerals, Roman numerals, and this topic is going to be focusing on kids and children in primary 5, 4, and 6. Roman numerals. I'm quite sure that all of us have actually worked with a wristwatch that has Roman numbers, and most of that wristwatch has the numbers written like this: X, I, I, V, I, and IX. You have a small hand here, a long hand here, and the second hand here. Okay, so most children know that Roman numbers from 1 to 12 either because they have seen a clock or a watch with those numbers standing for the hours. If you look at number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. On the wristwatch, you see 1 demarcates I, 2 goes for 2 I's in capital letter, 3 is 3I, 4. Now, before I get to 4, I want to talk about 5, which is the same thing as V, 10, which is the same thing as X. For you to get 4, that means you put the I in front and you now write the V. This means 5 minus 1, and we know 1 to be this. We know 4 to be this. 5 to be this. Minus 1 will be I in front and V. Then 5 plus 1 is the same thing as 6, which means V high. When the high is in front, it demarcates 6. It demarcates plus. If it's at the back, it demarcates minus. So we have 6 to be VI, 7 to be VII, because 5 plus 2 gives 7, which is the same thing, V plus II. 8 means VIII. 9. To have 8 will be 5 plus 3, which gives 8, which is VIII. Now when we get to 9, we know that our 10 is X. Now, what gives us 9? 9 is going to be 10 minus 1, which is going to be 9 is equals to 10 minus 1, which is going to be X. You write I first, then you now write V. With this concept, you will know that you can actually formulate any Roman numerals, numbers, if you are given to it. But there are key numbers that you have to know, like 1, like 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, this is 100, and 1000. For now, we are going to be stopping at this level. The 1 demarcates I. The 5 demarcates V in Roman number. We have X as 10. We have 50 as L. We have 100, this is 100, as C. I want us to pause here. Because it gets a little bit more complex when we're going to 500 and 1000. So we're going to save this for another time. But let's talk about this for now. If you have this as the basics, if you want to write 500, if you want to write 50, 51, it's going to be L, using the concept we have here, it's going to be Li. This is 51. 50, which is 50 plus 1, Li. If you want to write 40, it's going to be 50 minus 10, which is going to be XL. If you want to write 30, we simply just write X, X, X. If you want to write 80, we can see that we have 50. That's going to be 50 plus 30, which is going to be L, X, X, X. Since we know this is 30, so 80 is going to be L, X, X, X. The same concept can be used for when you have 100. Let me clean the board off. So if you want to write 300, this is simply by saying this is simply 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is equals to, we know hundreds to be C. 100 is equals to C, so we have C plus C plus C in front of it. That shows addition. If you want to write 350, it's the same thing as saying 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50, which is the same thing as C, C, C. Then what is 50? We know 50 to be hell. We put it in front. This is 350. With this concept, this can be applied to any other Roman numbers that we are going to be facing in the nearest future. Thank you very much.